Ascendium always puts on amazing educational experiences, and I've never used AI, and so I knew this would be a safe environment for me to start.
There's not a lot of opportunities, honestly, to get together with other nonprofit leaders and just have a pulse check on the things that we're facing and what are good solutions.
In today's economy, it's a time when we're having to do a lot with a little. And the more that things are happening right now, whether it's economics, whether it's institutional, we're finding that nonprofits are having struggles in trying to how do I do more with less? And AI gives you an opportunity to enable those enablements that get you to be able to do the things and save the hours that you would normally spend on the work and spend those hours doing on what your cause is supposed to be working on.
This kind of resources are not available, right, for nonprofits. So that means that trying to find those kind of trainings, because this is professional development.
Just trying to run a nonprofit in today's world is not easy, and having places like Ascendium bring in training that I don't have to pay for, because it's hard to raise money and run a nonprofit. So to have resources that will help you do more, be better, and grow, and ultimately impact the community the way your heart wants to, is priceless.
The thing about AI is that so many people are wondering what it can do. You ask anybody on the street, hey, what do you know about AI? AI to everybody is so big and it's such a black box. They don't understand where to start, what questions to ask, where they're supposed to even be applying the AI. So having some rudimentary starting points to be able to say to your organization, okay, this is what we need to accomplish. Here's a tool on how to accomplish it. Starting there and not having to boil the whole ocean, just start with the small thing you have right in front of you. Apply that, and then as you get more confident, you can always add more tools later.
I would say the thing that I most appreciated was hearing from someone who is an AI expert.
So security things that I can take back to my team to train them. To say, it's okay, how have you set up your ChatGPT, that we are all aware of security for the populations we work with.
The biggest thing about AI that people have to understand is AI is really just a calculator for words. It's not going to do everything for you, and it's not going to think for you. The more that you give it as context, the better the outcome.
It's energizing, honestly. So it's energizing both because we're coming together. We're a community of nonprofit professionals who face similar kinds of challenges in our work.
It allows me to do what I love, which is help the women, and it frees up space and time for that. I've never used AI, and after today, I know I can start and be successful.